Hello everyone. In this video we will construct a special type of triangle given its base angle and sum of the other two sides. For the same I have taken a question from our NCERT book. Question 1. Construct a triangle ABC in which side BC, as you can see in the rough figure also, is 7 centimeter, base angle B is 75 degree, and the sum of other two sides, that is AB plus AC, is 13 centimeter. First of all, we will draw the base BC, which is equal to 7 centimeter. After drawing the base BC equal to 7 centimeter, as per the question, the base angle, that is angle B, is equal to 75 degree. So with the compass and scale, we will construct an angle of 75 degree at point B. It is always advisable to check your constructions with protractor also after constructing it. So once you have constructed the 75 degree angle with compass, you are advised to please check it with the protractor also that the construction that you have done is correct or not. So for 75 degree, as you can see, we are constructing 90 degree angle first, and after constructing the 90 degree angle, we will keep the needle of the compass at point Y, and the other point being the point of intersection of the line segment, that is LB, and the main arc, that is the point which has been marked as K. So we will draw two arcs from here with a measure more than that taken for the main arc, and join the point of intersection to point B such that we have now that this angle MBC is equal to 75 degree. So we have also marked a point N over here on this line segment, extended point N. So after that we will cut an arc of 13 centimeter here on BN, that is AB plus AC, and mark this point as D. Next step is to join DC, and after that we will be drawing the perpendicular bisector of DC. So on drawing perpendicular bisector, we should have to keep in mind that the arcs that we are drawing from D and C to intersect each other, they are only possible if we take the radius more than half of DC. So we have these two arcs point of intersection as P, and the other one is Q. So PQ is the perpendicular bisector of DC. We will join it and extend it such that it meets BD at a point. We will mark this point as point A and join AC, and triangle ABC is the required triangle. Let us just see the steps of construction now. Step 1. Draw the base BC and at the point B make an angle NBC equal to 75 degree. Step 2. Cut a line segment BD equal to AB plus AC equal to 13 centimeter from the ray BN. Here we had the line segment BN, so you can say line segment BN. Step 3 is join DC and draw the perpendicular bisector, say PQ of DC. And the last step is let it intersect BN at a point A. So join points A and C, and we will have triangle ABC as the required triangle. Let us now see the justification of the construction that we have done. How we can justify the steps that we have actually followed to make that triangle, that is triangle ABC. So here in the justification you can see I have made the complete figure that we get at the end, and we know PQ is the perpendicular bisector of the line segment DC. Also, AR is a part of this perpendicular bisector. It is a line segment which lies in triangle ACD and it acts as a perpendicular bisector of side DC. So the two triangles so formed, that is triangle ARC and triangle ARD, are congruent to each other. So let us see the three matching parts that we have. As I have already written, AR is equal to AR, which is the common side in both the triangles. Angle ARC is equal to angle ARD, both of them equal to 90 degree, as AR is the perpendicular bisector of DC and CR is equal to DR. As AR is perpendicular bisector of DC. So triangle ARC is congruent to triangle ARD by SAS congruency rule. And if this is so, if the two triangles are congruent, we can say that AC is equal to AD by CPCT, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. Now let us just justify our construction, the steps that we have followed. From the figure we can see that AB is nothing but BD minus AD, and since AD is equal to AC, I can say AB is BD minus AC. Or in other words, it implies that AB plus AC is equal to BD. That justifies our construction, that why we took BD as the sum of the two sides and we had proceeded in our construction. As you can see in the construction, we took AB plus AC. AB plus AC was given as 13 centimeter and we took BD as 13 centimeter. That is the sum of the other two sides of the triangle that we required, that is triangle ABC. Therefore, triangle ABC is the required triangle.